A lad that's forced in exile from my own native land. For an oath that's passed against me in this country I can't stand. But while I'm at my liberty, I will make my escape. I am a poor distressed croppy for the green on my cape. For the green on my cape. For the green on my cape. I'm distressed but not disheartened for the green on my cape. But I'll go down to Belfast to see that seaport gay, and tell my aged parents in this country I can't stay. Oh, 'tis dark will be their sorrow, but no truer hearts I've seen, and they'd rather see me dying than a traitor to the green. Oh, the wearing the green, oh, the wearing the green. May the curse of Cromwell darken each traitor to the green. When I went down to Belfast and saw that seaport grand, my aged parents blessed me and blessed poor Ireland. Then I went unto a captain and bargained with him cheap. He told me that his whole ship's crew wore green on the cape. Oh, the green on the cape, oh, the green on the cape. God's blessing guard the noble boys with green on the cape. 'Twas early the next morning, our gallant ship set sail. Kind heaven did protect her with a pleasant Irish gale. We landed safe in Paris, where victualling was cheap. They knew we were united, we wore green on the cape. We wore green on the cape, we wore green on the cape. They treated us like brothers for the green on the cape. Then forward stepped young Boney and took me by the hand, saying, "How is old Ireland and how does she stand? It's as poor distressed a nation as ever you have seen. They are hanging men and women for the wearing of the green. For the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green. They are hanging men and women for the wearing of the green." Take courage now, my brave boys, for here you have good friends, and we'll send a convoy with you down by their orange dens. And if they should oppose us with our weapons sharp and keen, we'll make them rue and curse the day that ere they saw the green. That ere they saw the green, that ere they saw the green. We'll show them our authority for wearing of the green. Oh, may the wind of freedom soon send young Boney o'er, and we'll plant the tree of liberty upon our shamrock shore. Oh, we'll plant it with our weapons while the English tyrants gape, to see their bloody flag torn down to green on the cape. Oh, the wearing the green, oh, the wearing the green. God grant us soon to see that day, and